Hello?
Hello, is Aptar there?
Who?
Aptar.
Can I ask who's speaking, please?
This is Kirpal.
Who?
Kirpal?
Okay, 1 minute, please.
Hello?
Hello?
Hanji.
Hi. I was just calling because I live down the street from you and your daughter come to my house today and she kicked my dog.
Pardon?
Your daughter come to my house today
Uh-huh.
and she come on my property and then she kicked my dog and now my dog needs operation.
She kicked
She kicked my dog.
She kicked your dog?
Yes,
Which daughter?
the one who just answered the phone.
Down No.
What?
No.
Yes, she did. I saw her and then I saw her at your house. And why did she do it?
I don't know. She didn't say.
She did? She's lying. She's lying to you, fucking guy.
Where from you speaking?
I am speaking from my house.
Where you live?
Down the street from you.
Huh?
You know where I live, my dog. She kicked it and now I'm going to fuck her.
You live, I know. I don't know.
Don't lie, you fucking guy.
Hey, why? Don't talk like that.
Fuck you. You know damn right what you do.
Where you live? Who kicked your dog?
Your daughter kicked my dog.
Which daughter?
You know damn right. You bastard.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah?
Why you kick my dog?
Hello? Can I ask who's speaking, please?
You know damn right. It's
Whose house
Kirpal.
is this?
It's Kirpal.
Who's Gurpal? We don't know Gurpal.
Yeah, sure do. You kicked my dog today.
Dog?
Dog!
We don't even... No one's even been out...
You don't act stupid. You tell your dad that I am going to sue him. He's going to go to jail.
Okay, where the hell do you live?
I live on your street.
On my street.
You know. You
You
are
say that one of us have kicked your dog.
Yes.
Where about do you live?
You know damn right.
No, we do not know, damn right. We don't even know you.
Yes, you do.
Why? Where the hell do you live?
You don't ask dumb question.
You live on Manitou?
No, you just shut up. You try to confuse. I'm going to call the police. And then you're going to go to jail.
You damn right call the police because we don't know what the hell
You
you're
do not
talking
tell
about.
me damn right.
Yeah,
You do
we
not
know
swear at
what
me.
the hell you're talking about.
I'm going to kill you.
Are you gonna kill us?
No, I'm not. I'm just kidding. You just tell your dad that I am going to get my lawyer and he's going to arrest you.
I don't know who the hell he is.
Hanji,
Okay, you just go ahead, okay? Because we don't know what the fuck you're talking about.
you don't ever tell me the fuck. You say bad
You
words.
talk to us this way when you have no proof.
Fuck you, you.
No,
You do not tell me fuck you. Okay, you? You
Please
know.
just get lost, okay? 'Cause
Fuck
you're
you.
Shut up.
You're going to jail.
Who the hell you are and you're phoning us with all these obscene...
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
Shut up. I don't
Shut
know
up.
you.
You shut up, you.
Don't tell me to shut up. I do not
Shut
know
up, you stink. You
Oh, you
bastard.
stink too.
No, you don't.
Yes, you do.
I do not stink.
I think you do.
Fuck you. Just because I'm Becky does not mean I stink.
Natasha Cole and with Flavor Flav. And two short ribs. You have two short ribs. Short ribs, yeah. Two short. Oh, okay. Two short ribs and a hip hop and your don't stop and the winner of the broccoli D and the bang bang boogie and don't stop the boogie. Okay? You speak too fast, I don't understand it. I speak slow, okay? Listen to me. Okay, can you tell me a number? Okay, alright. This is restaurant. Yeah, restaurant Thai food. Yes. Yeah, I want Thai food 'cause me so hungry. I need Thai food. This Thai restaurant? Yes. Yeah. I need two short ribs and I need Wu-Tang Clan. Can you speak English slow now, okay? Okay, I speak English. I try to speak English to you, okay? You know, you Thai, you my brother. Right? You Thai? You Taiwanese? No, Thailand. You Thailand? Yeah. You're slow down. Okay. Speak fast, like Chinese, I don't understand. Okay, I try to speak like as slow as I can. You have to have this food. What kind of Thai restaurant is this? You know, have Wu-Tang Clan? Wu-Tang Clan? Wu-Tang Clan and Snoop Dogg? No, we don't. And Broccoli B. You have Broccoli B in the Bang the Bang Bang Boogie and the rhythm of the hip-hop and you don't stop. Bang Bang Boogie? Bang Bang Boogie? Yeah. No, we don't have that. You don't have